Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm on location at my brother Jared's house. And Jared actually has a YouTube channel of his own called Live True with JT. Jared, what is that about?
Well, Live True with JT is all about personal development, inspiration, motivation, and life lessons from an ordinary guy. I'm a life coach. I've been mentoring and coaching people for about 20 years now. And my channel is all about that.
And he decided to kick off a keto series of cooking recipes. And so that's what we're gonna do. I came in to help him out, and we're gonna start off by doing keto pancakes. They're really easy to do, very healthy. If we can do it, you can do it.
Let's get started. All right, so what do we do first, Matt?
So let's go ahead and why don't you do the eggs and the almond milk and the extra virgin olive oil, and then I will mix the dry ingredients in this bowl. Got some almond flour, coconut flour. Down below, we will list all the ingredients and the amounts.
Okay, so I've got the eggs here.
Great.
And I'm gonna put the olive oil, right?
Yep.
And then I'm gonna add the almond milk. 1/3 cup of almond milk,
1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil.
And 2 eggs.
And 2 eggs. Add 1 cup of almond flour and 1/3 cup of coconut flour. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And then I have 1/2 cup of baking powder. And I'll just go ahead and just whisk this real quick.
We're also gonna add, did you already add the salt?
Yep.
All right.
Oh,
so
no, I didn't add the salt.
So we're gonna add a pinch of Himalayan pink salt.
2
Pink
pinches.
Himalayan salt, 2 pinches, there you go. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix them all together in this bowl here.
All right.
All right, so wet ingredients first?
Yep.
All right.
And then you could just dump all the dry ingredients in. I like to do just half, about half, and then mix it. And then do the rest.
All right. Well, it looks like our batter's a little bit thick.
We might need to just
Add a little more almond milk.
almond milk. Yep.
Okay.
So if your batter is too thick, you don't want it to be the consistency of like a cake or a muffin. So you just add a little bit more almond milk.
How's that?
I
think probably a little bit more.
A little tiny bit more,
Yeah,
a couple
a little bit
tablespoons.
Because we want to be able to pour these out on the griddle.
That's awesome. I think we have a couple bonus ingredients. Why don't we add those?
All right. So 2 bonus ingredients. 1, bacon. Bacon bits. I love bacon. This is made from real bacon cut up into little tiny bits. And we're going to do both of these, but you don't have to add these. This is just something that I like to do. I like sweet and savory mixed together. That's just something that I really like. So we're going to add in some bacon bits. We're going to add in blueberries.
This is about 1/4 cup of blueberries. You can add as many as you want or as less as you want.
So these are our keto bacon blueberry pancakes. Yeah!
All right.
That's batter's still pretty thick. Should we add a little more almond milk? Yep,
Just a tiny bit more.
a little bit more.
Good.
So we got our keto blueberry and bacon pancake mixture. We're gonna head over to the skillet. You wanna preheat the skillet to about 350, and then we're gonna pour some pancakes on there and cook them up. Okay, so we've greased the griddle with coconut oil, and I've got this handy dandy little spoon that has a lip on it. I'm gonna scoop out some pancake mix, and I'm gonna pour some on there. Any size you want. We're gonna make ours about that size. That looks good to me. All right, we're gonna let these cook a little while. You want to see a little bit of bubbling. You can see some there, but it's not quite ready. We want to have some brown on the edges. All right, so they're looking pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and do some flipping. That one and oops, nice. Got that on the edge there. Okay, so pretty straightforward. We're just gonna wait till the other side looks a lot like this and they'll be done. All right, these are looking pretty good. We're gonna take these off and serve them up.
All right, our bacon and blueberry keto pancakes are done. Turned out fantastic. Really easy to do, simple ingredients, very healthy.
If we can do it, you can do it.
Don't forget to check out Jared's channel, Live True with JT. Down below in the description, you'll find a link to that. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining us. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for us to dive into this. Oh yeah.